What confuses Strand's team is that the moving lights appear to take many different forms.
What we have found out is that there is different types of phenomena.
The project identifies 3 different kinds of sighting: white or blue flashes, shapeless yellow lights, and a series of smaller apparitions that appear to fly in formation.
The more we study it, the more mysterious it is.
But as the project gathers momentum, disaster strikes.
In '85, we got only 1 observation, and of course we was very disappointed. And also the local people up there didn't report anymore. So we thought that this high activity period was ended.
1 year into the investigation, the lights mysteriously vanish. The chance to uncover a new phenomenon disappears as the project is shelved, until strange events in the valley, 8 years later, bring the Hessdalen UFOs right back into Arling's life.
People come to me and said, it's still going on.
1993, Norway. A project to unlock the mystery behind hundreds of UFO sightings in the remote community of Hessdalen has lain dormant for 8 years. Tired of ridicule at the hands of journalists, locals no longer reported the flying objects. But all that is about to change.
People come to me and said, it's still going on, but we don't tell about it anymore because of all the writings, the bad writings in the newspaper. And then I was thinking, maybe I should start Project Hessdalen again.
Jan Moen has lived in the valley for 56 years. As a local, he is familiar with the mysterious phenomena.
Someone has seen the light on the ground. Someone has seen it moving besides the car, and someone has seen it on the heaven, moving slowly and very fast. People don't know what it is.
The initial project left Strand with more questions than answers. But nearly a decade later, he uses new contacts across the European science community to assemble a crack team of experts.
When we started project again, more foreign scientists become interested. And we have a good cooperation with both Italian and French scientists now.
A key member of the new team, electrical engineer Bjorn Gittler-Hogge.
My expertise, electromagnetic radiation and radar and optical spectrum analysis. They really didn't have too much data at that point.
Having secured funding, the team establish a permanent base in the valley. A 100-square-foot steel container is erected to monitor the lights in the valley 24/7. The base would become known as the Blue Box.
The Blue Box was equipped with a camera system. It was special programmed to react on different light phenomena.
In 1999, surveillance cameras in the Blue Box hit the jackpot, capturing this stunning footage. But the team want to do more than capture a UFO on camera. They want to find out what it is. They begin to look for clues in the atmosphere.
We are interested to find out if there is a new kind of interference source in the atmosphere that we didn't know about.
Assisted by the Institute of Radio Astronomy in Italy, the team installed new high-frequency radar at the blue box.
The Italian equipment was made to detect any kind of ionized matter.
Research now focuses on one particular theory, that the aerial phenomena might be pockets of plasma in the atmosphere.
Well, everybody's seen plasma. You've seen them in neon lights. Also, you get plasma balls where you have that mysterious glowing light in a glass ball. It's essentially an excited gas, and what that means that the gas has an electrical charge and then it glows.
Plasma is ionized gas, meaning it has highly charged particles. This makes it conductive and allows it to respond strongly to electromagnetic fields. The most iconic example in nature, the spectacular Northern Lights. But the team have no evidence that ionized gas is present in the valley. Then, in 2007, a field trip yields the most exciting breakthrough yet.
It was good weather condition. Approximately 9:30, suddenly it said...
This video was filmed as the stunned scientists observed the phenomena.
Big light erupted as I was recording. And it moved back and forth. And everybody was yelling. And then we got this picture. Then it shot off again, and everything was quiet. But the radar went on. The radar were giving echoes. It was something out there.
Immediately, the team generate an optical spectrum of the photograph. The optical image splits white light into the different colors of the spectrum. The amount of each color present gives the team new information about the light source.
The funny thing was that it had all colors, like the sun. And the continuous spectrum, which we obtained, points towards that we have something like a star.
The data suggests the phenomena may not have any mass at all, just star-like lights flying through the valley.
This is the photo which shows the sharp angle during the movement. If this had had any mass, you shouldn't expect it would be possible to make such a sharp angle with this high speed.
But Strand's team still have no evidence of what the phenomenon is or where it might be coming from.
Some say that there is something new mechanism in physics. Some claim that's a new part of our world which we haven't discovered yet.
If you were to ask me if there is any credible explanation for the reported sightings over Hestalen, there's nothing that I know of in atmospheric science that can generate lights in the sky, at least insofar as we can tell from the photographs.
The Hestalen phenomena continue to be seen to this day. And as long as they appear in the valley, Erling Strand is determined to unlock the mystery once and for all.
I hope we will manage to find out what it is, because no one has ever managed to find a solution on what it is. So maybe if it's something from our nature, if it's something from our universe, something new we will discover.
But the investigation has achieved one important goal.
In the beginning of 80s, people said that we were crazy on the media, in the newspaper. But the scientists, starting with instrument up here in Hesdalen, and said that there was something.
They lived with it so many years now, so it's not any reason to be so much afraid of it anymore.
June 17th, 1977, Tancos Air Base, Portugal. A routine flight for José Francisco Rodrigues, a pilot in the Portuguese Air Force. 11:15 a.m. The wheels of his Dornier 27 lift off the runway. What Rodrigues doesn't know is that within the next hour, he would have a central role in one of Europe's most extraordinary UFO encounters, and that he'd be lucky to escape with his life.
O caso de Castelo de Bode é importante porque temos aqui significativo exemplo de uma interação física de aparente objeto não identificado com os instrumentos de bordo do próprio avião.